In this video, I'll show you GTA San Andreas Ultimate Graphics Mod 2.0, which improves time cycle, reflections, and overall visual quality for a more realistic look. Check my video description for this mod link. Check the download option. Wait for 30 seconds. Select the start download option. Once the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder, double click on the exe, select yes option, select option and navigate to the game folder. Open the game folder and select folder option. Before doing this mod, back up your channel race folder. Navigate to the game folder. Copy the game folder and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, close stuff here and select the install option. The modification installation was successfully completed. Close and launch the game. I will add before and after comparison. You can easily compare with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.